Oppo just quietly cleared a major regulatory hurdle in China, and buried in that filing is basically a confirmation that the Find X10 is real, it's close, and it might be one of the most aggressive flagship phones we've seen from Oppo in years. So today, I'm breaking down everything leaked so far: the chipsets, the cameras, the battery, the timeline, and telling you which of these rumors you can actually trust. Welcome to Perfect Perception, and let's get into it. Let's start with the big picture. How many phones are we even talking about? Multiple leaks now point to a three-model lineup: the standard Find X10, the Find X10 Pro, and a new Find X10 Pro Max. That Pro Max naming is interesting. Oppo hasn't always used that tier, so it suggests the company is stretching the lineup to cover more price points, probably to compete harder across the board with Samsung and Apple. And there's already a fourth model waiting in the wings, the Find X10 Ultra, but that one's expected to land separately, likely in the first half of 2027. The standard Find X10 is rumored to get a Dimensity 9500 plus, while the Pro models step up to MediaTek's next flagship silicon. Translation: Oppo is trying to hit multiple price points without giving every buyer the exact same performance, which honestly makes sense for a three-phone lineup. The Find X10 Pro is rumored to pack two separate 200-megapixel sensors, a large 1/1.3-inch Samsung sensor for the main camera, and another 200-megapixel sensor for the telephoto lens, plus a 3-megapixel multispectral sensor for color accuracy. And the Ultra, remember, that's the 2027 model, is rumored to push even further, testing a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto alongside a massive 50-megapixel sensor dedicated purely to 10 times optical zoom. For context, that would roughly double the sensor size compared to the current Find X9 Ultra's zoom camera. On the display side, expect a flat 6.78-inch LTPO LED panel with a 1.5K resolution and ultra-narrow symmetrical bezels. Oppo has been moving away from curved screens for a few generations now, and this continues that trend. Battery-wise, the numbers being thrown around are honestly massive, at least 8,000 milliamp hours on some models, alongside an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and top-tier IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. That's a serious jump in a phone that's still supposed to feel like a normal flagship, not a battery brick. So when do we actually see this thing? Based on the certification filing and multiple tipsters, the standard Find X10 and Find X10 Pro are expected to launch in China around late September, with a global rollout likely following in October, similar to how Oppo handled the Find X9 last year. The Find X10 Ultra is the outlier here, expected sometime in the first half of 2027, roughly a year after the Find X9 Ultra came out. So that's everything we know about the Oppo Find X10 series so far. What do you think about it? Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on our next video.